guys, it is official spring and today I'm doing a spring reset type of thing. I just got back from my winter break yesterday. I was at my hometown. It was nice, fun, I can't lie, but now that I'm back I have to go back to my routine. I have some few things that I have to do today, so let me do a to-do list for today. This is my, I don't know, you guys will see my to-do list. First thing first, what I'm going to do, I'm going to start doing my laundry because I have a lot of clothes that I have to do, like it's spring already, so I have to do my laundry. There's a lot of clothes. Then clean my room. This room is a mess, yo guys. Then call my hairdresser. I have to call my hairdresser. I have to go do my hair. Like guys, it's a mess. Like my hair is a mess, so I have to call and check her thing today, so I can just go and do my hair there today. I meant to say. Then call home, obviously. Change my bedding, guys. I need to change my bedding today. Bedding from home. Like bedding I think 11 years ago, 12 years ago if I'm not mistaken, when I was in high school, I bought that bedding my firstborn. That bedding, that's what I told myself. So it's bedding I so like a lot is happening. So and please let's can't judge that bedding so I'm going to use it because kuyafana kids editing. Then dinner, I want to go out for dinner later on today. It's just a few things that I need to do today. It's nothing crazy, I think. Yeah, it's nothing crazy, so I just want this vlog to be chilled and watchable. I can say. So yeah guys, let's get to the vlog. I'm sure you guys can see my wardrobe right now, but there's a lot of clothes, bunch of clothes down there. Let me show you. There's a giant bunch of clothes. All of them, they need to be washed. So guys, I think I'm gonna start with white, bright colors first, then after I'll do white. So let's do the Sorry guys, since the apart did busy at that side training, I just wanted to show you all the bedding that I was talking about earlier on. This is my bedding, my new bedding. Like I'm super reiki, like guys, please don't laugh. Like like a bedding young man, but I just have to use it because it has what? It's all in guys. This bedding, to be honest with you. This thing is for curtain and tonton. Yeah, so guys can see. This is the curtain. So I'm not gonna use it because we're gonna curtain already. Then what's this? Oh, this one is for the big pillow. Then oh, this is a laundry bag. I love this. It looks nice. The color thing is nice. Yo, then this is just a small pillow. It's a pillowcase. And this one also, I think it's a pillowcase. What's this? Pillowcase. Then draw sheet. Is this a draw sheet? Or what? I forgot. Then this is my button. This is my bed. Is this a I came with the wrong thing. As a sleeper couch, as a sleeper what in toilet. Oh, it's a bedding. It looks nice. Why can't I get bedding? Bedding, right? I think it's bedding. I thought I get bedding, Lena. I can talk about it. It looks nice. Get you that into it. Your wallet is a zip.
It is because look,
it's a sleeping bag. Or it's a duvet.
But you can use it as a sleeping bag, as a duvet also, because you can go inside here.
It's 2 in 1. Get 2 in 1. Yo, let's have.
Hello guys.
Wanna go upon?
There's a paper inside. Where is it?
Oh, sleeping bag / comfort set. So it's a sleeping bag plus a duvet. So now I'm gonna use it as a duvet.
And me, I'm gonna use it as a sleeping bag.
No.
Also for me.
Yeah, so guys, this is it. I'm changing my bedding today.
And then you will go away. I'm not gonna be begging you to stay.
Guys, now I wanna go through my everyday pack. There's a lot of things in here, unnecessary things. There's a lot of slips. I wanna try this new thing. Guys, wait, what's happening? Whatever it is spending, like here, go check us hyper spending like 200 rand, 207. I don't know if you guys can see 207. Because spending 207 rand. Then keep lasted all my things. Check it is spender. Oh, free packing. Slowly. Like keep lasted everything. I can spending so I can see how all in all a month. Can spend a guy. What I'm going to spend 200 rand. 246, 200 rand. No one can spend 200 rand. And I keep plus it so I can see how in a month I spend how much. Already Moki is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Already I spend 1K active in a month or in a week. I don't know. So I can saving, guys, like every day when I come back, you walk shop on sleepy, sleep. Then end of the year, end of the month, I don't know you guys can understand. I don't know you guys understand what I'm trying to say. Then I don't know who gets unconscious.
We're in trances, going all to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. You like the fast life, you like to drive and get down and dirty, act like the bad guy. You want some love, be like when you feel like calling me.
But yeah, guys, let me try to do something with this bag or even neat. Then I'll see y'all when I'm done.
Just pulled up to the house, don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and crack this window. I've been doing my best, taking a moment.
Okay, I hope I'll see you later. Sorry. Finally, baby, young one. Where is it? Oh, nah, man, it looks nice.
Very nice.
Very nice.
Very nice.
Guys, this is my new bedding. This is my new bedding. It's cute, I know. Man, it doesn't look like Kiabana. It doesn't look like Kiabana, sure. To be honest, I won't talk Kiabana.
Better way, oh, Mom and Dad's only daughter, do I make you proud? Writing my life in lyrics, do you like the sound? Seeking approval constantly. When it's my truth I own, I speak it, don't make sense now. Give it a good, I'll put that on good. When it gets hard, I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go pull with that jump off my back.
Guys, let me go bath. I'm done with this bedroom. Now I'm about to go bath, then so we can go do my hair. My hairstylist are so available from 1 o'clock. See you when I'm done bathing. Bye. Okay guys, this is my outfit of the day. My outfit to run errands. Outfit to go do my hair. Let me just say that. I'm wearing this pants, short pants from factory, then this top from the Fix, then Shingalangala. Yeah, so this is my outfit. Let's get going.
Right, it's my lap.
Hey guys, I just got back to do my hair. As you guys can see, like my hair is scrumptious. Like this looks perfect. This is what I was looking for. Like I'll try to put a picture right here. Like it's really like I'm hooking. Like what? Like everything is perfect. Anyway guys, I'm about to go for my late lunch dinner. Earlier on, I'll go to whatever. Let me show you all my outfit, then we are good to go. So I'm wearing this top, this blazer, then and this top from the Fix. Okay, so yeah, this top from the Fix, then and this jeans. Whoops, I don't know you guys will see me properly. Give up some. Then I'm going to put the shoes. I'm going to wear the shoes. Yeah, when I did chill, I'm going to wear the shoes from Ackerman. So get the fix Ackerman. I don't know who is okay, but I see color. Then cologne of the day, like the cologne sense of the day. I'm going to put this. Camera guy focus. Okay, Gucci Bamboo. It's Gucci Bamboo. It's the cologne of the day. Then what else? Oh, bag, guys. Y'all know this bag by now. Every time I'm always having this bag. So yeah, this will be. This is me. Perfect, right? They look nice. Anyway guys, let's do the most actor man, guys. I'm late already. I'll see y'all when we get there. Bye.
Sure we had fun tonight. You and me felt alright. But it's time you pick up your phone. You won't be worth my while. Me and you won't work out. Pick it up, pack it up, get a cab and go. It's not your fault, my baby. It's not on you, my baby. I'm just not the right kind of girl for you. You deserve somebody who's loving you. You shouldn't call me later.
Promise it's for the better. I'm just not the right kind of girl for you, 'cause I got a rule. I